Welcome back guys. On the last video, we created our first responsive navigation bar. So for today's video, we're going to create our banner. So what I had in mind is that I'm going to use a class called Jumbotron in version 4. But unfortunately, Jumbotron has been removed in version 5. So I'm going to use padding. First, let's create our site banner. Let's have a header 1. Welcome to Bootstrap 5. And there. And the header 2. Build fast and responsive. In version 4, header 1 and header 2 is not yet fluid typography, but now, as you can see, it adapts quickly when we resize our browser. So let's add a background in our site banner. BJ dark to match our navigation bar. Let's turn this text into white. Use the class text white for turning the text into white. And with other class text white. What I want to do now is that I want to make the header 1 text aligned center. So for making it text aligned center, all you have to do is to use the class text center. Also this class text center. So now the header 2 padding is very thin. So what I want to do is that I want to expand this space here. I want to make bigger. So what I want to do is I want to add a padding with a value of 4. Or 5. Okay, that's good. So I want to use a class called display because I want to make this text here bigger. So let's use the display class. Display, you can either use 1, 2, 2 to 4. So let's use the 4. And I want to change this text style. I want to make it more thinner. So let's change this into P. And also is in the paragraph text. So, and let's add a class name lead. Okay, now it's good. So now, also in here is the navigation bar. I want to add a margin here so that this text here will be pushed to the left. So to do that, we have to determine where is the start and where is the end. So in our navigation bar, we use this MS Auto. It means margin start auto, and it move our navigation links to the right. So what I want to do now is I want to move this link to the left, since this is the start and this is the end. So I want to make I want to use the class margin, and so let's just see it here, margin and 4. So there, it moved to the left. You can either use 1, 5. So the limitation is 5. Let's use the margin 4. Also with other links, 4, 4. Okay, now it looks neat. So what I want to do next is that I want to use the column classes. So the Bootstrap 5 grid layout is that it composes of 12 columns. 12 columns with different layout. We have some we have a class for small, medium, and large. So for the small class, it's only for the mobile, medium for the tablets, and large for the desktop. So I want to make an example here. Column large for desktop 1. It's not visible, so let's add a text. Let's add a dummy text. Here it is. As you can see, it only went here since this is column 1. Let's add more. Okay, let's try to add a background. BG primary. Okay, let's try this, and let's make a copy of this. As you can see, the column tag did not actually went horizontal, because to make it view horizontal, we have to add a class name, the row, and let's put these classes inside a row. So there you have it. So as I said earlier, this whole grid here, the maximum level of the grid here is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need more. And the last one, we need the last one. And there it is, it's now full. So for example, I want to create 3 columns in a desktop view and make it 2 columns in the tablet view and 1 column in the mobile view. So since the maximum level of our columns is only 12, so we have to divide 12 into 3 since we want to create 3 columns. So 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. Let's create a column large with the value of 4. Dot column large 4. And let's make 3 copies of this since we want to make the value into 12. 4, 8, 12. So now there. In the desktop view, as you can see 3 columns, but in the tablet view, it will automatically make it 1. So what I want to do is that when it reach this breakpoint here, I want to see two columns here and one column here. So to make it happen, we have to use the class medium for the medium devices and make and add a 6 value because we only want two columns, and this will make it 12. And there, two columns, 3, 2. So in here, let's make the mobile view into one column, the whole grid. And there, 3, 2, and 1. So this is it for today, guys. I hope you learned something about how to use the columns and creating a banner in Bootstrap 5.